Welcome to Gear Grinders, your ultimate destination for the latest in automotive excitement. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Hero Xpulse 200, a bike that combines rugged design, off-road capability, and modern technology to redefine the adventure touring segment. Built for explorers and adventure enthusiasts, the Xpulse 200 is ready to take you on unforgettable journeys. Let's explore what makes this bike a true adventurer's dream. Design and styling. The 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 features a bold and rugged design that's built to handle the toughest terrains. Its tall stance, high ground clearance, and aggressive bodywork give it a commanding presence, while the sleek lines and modern finishes add a touch of sophistication. The bike's ergonomic design ensures comfort during long rides, and its practical features, like the luggage rack and crash guards, make it ready for any adventure. Performance and engine. At the heart of the Xpulse 200 is a powerful 200cc air-cooled engine that delivers smooth and torquey performance. Designed for long-distance touring and off-road adventures, this engine provides strong low-end torque, making it ideal for tackling steep inclines and rough trails. The 5-speed gearbox ensures seamless shifting, while the advanced suspension system and long-travel shocks offer a comfortable and stable ride on any surface. Features and technology. The Xpulse 200 is equipped with features that enhance both functionality and convenience. It comes with a semi-digital instrument cluster that provides essential ride information, including a compass and trip meter. The bike's dual-purpose tires ensure grip on both tarmac and dirt, while the dual-channel ABS offers added safety on slippery surfaces. Hero's focus on durability ensures this bike is built to withstand the rigors of adventure touring. Riding experience. The Xpulse 200 is designed to deliver a comfortable and confident riding experience, no matter where your journey takes you. Its upright seating position and wide handlebars ensure excellent control, while the plush seat and well-tuned suspension make long rides enjoyable. Whether you're navigating rocky trails or cruising on highways, the Xpulse 200 offers a ride that's both adventurous and reassuring. Conclusion. The 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 is a true adventure tourer that combines rugged design, powerful performance, and cutting-edge technology. With its torquey engine, practical features, and timeless appeal, it's a bike that's built for explorers and adventurers. If you're looking for a machine that can take you on epic journeys with confidence, the Xpulse 200 is the perfect choice. Thanks for watching Gear Grinders, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest in automotive innovation.